The promise of freshness is here with the new Food Saver FM5000 Series 2-in-1 Food Preservation System. The Food Saver FM5000 system keeps food fresh up to 5 times longer and helps you save up to $2,700 a year. The features are smartly integrated into a compact and space-saving design, like the easy access open roll storage to see how much roll material there is so you always know when you're running low. The Express Bag Maker reduces bag making steps by 50%, automatically creating a seal each time the lever is turned to the seal position. Simply use your countertop as your workspace to accurately measure custom-sized bags. The vacuum view window enables you to see where you seal for optimal control and reduces over 30% of roll waste. With the bag in place, push and release the vacuum and seal bar on both sides. The vacuum view window will automatically grasp the bag and begin the vacuum sealing process. The retractable handheld sealer provides the system's 2-in-1 convenience to preserve freshness of foods stored in zipper bags, containers, and more. With more ways to seal and more ways to save, you can trust your food freshness to the Food Saver FM5000 Series 2-in-1 Food Preservation System.